Hey everyone, here a recap video of today's London session and Bond Open, New York Open. I'm finished for today. I had a lot of trades. These were the setups in London. I was waiting for the perfect setups and I didn't really see them on London. These were just simple pullbacks. Look, this is London Open. This was Frankfurt. So during Frankfurt we already had a down move with simple pullbacks to the standard deviations, to the EMAs. So that was telling us, okay, there's some movement already, nice. This might continue during London, but London was ranging around this pivot level, this red line. And if you look at the structure, there was structure, right? We had pullbacks to the EMA. You could take these ones right into the point of control, right into the zone. I find them higher risk, so I waited because it's Monday and I don't like price taking, in this case, taking shorts with support this close. So I didn't take them. This was also a nice structured trade short. You could almost take every rotation. This was a nice one, double top at VWAP. I just don't take VWAP trades because they are higher risk. So I waited. This was a nice trade 2 hours after London Open. All structure, this previous structure got broken. We bounced off the standard deviation and then we dropped and then we broke. And you see here, price broke the deviation and a lot of volume got in. You can see it on the red candles. We got some signals on the KISS chart also. And this is simply the first pullback. So this was my first trade. I didn't take these. I just waited them out. I took this trade, the first pullback after a clean break of every structure. All structure got broken here to the left, got broken, and I took this trade. So I almost hit my daily target. It was 6 ticks. My daily target is around 10-12 ticks. I was happy with this trade. This was a trade just after lunch. This is 6 Central Standard Time. We see price moved up. We had some KISS signals also confirming sellers getting in. Pullback to the EMA, to the yesterday high, this green dotted line, yesterday high. And again, short trade, I took 4 ticks. So after this trade and this trade, I had my 10 ticks daily target. And then I waited for some clean setups again. We had these setups. I took this one and this one because price moved up and then I saw a KISS signal, volume getting in and overall structure was still down. So I took this one and we had Navigator also telling us we are oversold, sorry, overbought. So I took this one and this was the second one, first pullback after the Navigator signal with overall bigger picture trend. So I took these two. This was also interesting. 1-1 structure. This is the 1-1 chart, of course, making higher highs, higher lows, but I didn't take it. So I took these and now we're heading towards the Bond Open. This is the Bond Open. Bond Open, there was no demand, took this short. And here this is just a pullback again to this resistance because we broke the support, the open, previous value area high, the close, previous VPOC, everything. This is a zone, right? Resistance support level. So we broke it, retested, and structure held to the downside. I took this one and took this one. Of course, way 2 less ticks, I only took 4 ticks, but again, winner is winner. This is still a pullback, I didn't take it. I took this one, 2 or 3 ticks, then I waited because there was no continuation and I was seeing this. You see, it's just holding. The lows are holding, so structure is changing. I waited. These are all pullbacks. I didn't take in. I took this one because we had to clean structure, break, retest of the EMA and standard deviation, and I took some ticks here also. What else did I take? I took something here, I can't remember. I took this one or this one. It was my last 2 trades I took, and all this movement here happened very fast. It's impossible to enter because all the structure broke again. If you look here to the left, this structure all got broken, and this thing broke. A lot of volume got in, and we dropped. We moved to the weekly pivot point, and you see just above we had liquidity. Price moved very fast up again. So this is not interesting to trade, guys, this area, because price bounced off, and now it's unclear what price will do. We got a new point of control here, we got support, we got standard deviation, so it's not clear what price will do. If you look at the session profile, you see we got a lot of volume here, and we got a lot of volume here. So once it's clear price is moving upwards, you will see price will move again to this area, to this bump, or maybe even to the open and the close level. But it can also break to the downside and then just take trades structure downwards from here. But I'm already done. I had a lot of trades. I had nice profits and exceeded my daily target, so I stopped. I'm still a little bit tired of the COVID, still recovering. I'm better already, but still tired end of the day, so I stopped trading. That's the most smart thing to do in my case. So I'm already done. We had some nice structure and volume. You see, you don't need much to trade Ultrabonds, just structure, and you have to know what chart settings, what indicators to use. But again, keep it simple, because it's all there. You just have to know what levels to watch and what structure to watch, what times of day to trade. And if you want, I can help you guys. I hope you like this video. If you have questions, just ask me in the Discord group, guys. See you later.